All right, question 4. We've got a parallelogram here, and we know that NS is length 2x plus 7, and S to Q is length 5x minus 23. Well, previously we learned that S is going to be the midpoint of this line, meaning that NS is going to be the same length as SQ. And when two things are the same length, to solve for x, we can just set them equal to each other. So we're going to do 2x plus 7 equals 5x minus 23. And then we'll go ahead and solve that. So I'll subtract 2x from both sides. 7 equals 3x minus 23. Add 23. 30 equals 3x. Divide by 3, and we find that x equals 10. Now, is that the final answer? No, because it asks us to find n to q. So if we look at our image, n to q is this entire length. So if we go ahead and plug in x to just one of those equations, and multiply whatever we get out of that by 2, then we're going to know the length of NQ. So let's find n to s, which is going to be 2 times 10 plus 7, which gives us 27. Therefore, n to q is going to be twice as long, 2 times 27, which is going to give us 54. So the length of NQ is 54. All right, number 5. Mine didn't load very well here, but mine's just supposed to be an angle symbol there. It says find the measure of angle R. Okay, we want that guy. Well, we are given the measure of angle P and the measure of angle Q. So again, remember, when we marry geometry and algebra together, the way that we write an equation is that we first have to determine the geometric relationship, and then we create an equation based on that relationship. So if we look at angles P and Q, what is the geometric relationship between them? Well, we learned previously that they are supplementary and they add to 180. So we'll go ahead and do 3x. Oh, sorry, in supplementary, they add to 180, so we're going to write an equation that represents that relationship, which is that 3x plus 5 plus 8x minus 12 would equal 180 degrees. And then we can just simplify. First thing we'll do is combine like terms. So we get 11x minus 7 equals 180. Add 7 to both sides gives us 11x equals 187. Divide by 11. Oh, I don't know that one off the top of my head. 187 divided by 11 gives us 17. So x equals 17. Okay, but wait. Is that the answer? No. We need to find the measure of angle R. Well, we have x. How could we do that? Well, again, we'll have to think about our parallelogram geometric relationships. And we know that angle P is going to be congruent to the angle directly across from it, which is angle R. Those have to be the same size. So if I can find angle P, then I will end up finding angle R. So the measure of angle P is going to be equal to the measure of angle R. That's the relationship that we just discovered. So we will do the measure of angle P will have to be 3 times what we got for x, which is 17, plus 5. 3 times 17 is 51, plus 5 is 56. And since they're congruent, that means the measure of angle R equals 56.